Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. We're back at Anfield, and in this video we were going to check on the mural, the Forever 20, but the second part hasn't started yet. Mural Walls isn't there, so I'm not sure what the start date is for that. Stewards are just clearing away some of the tributes. They're saving all the best ones that are still doing really well, and they're moving them all down here. There's a steward there moving some. All the ones that are, the murals, all the flowers that are past it now, they're getting cleared away. I think they're making more space for other tributes to be laid as well at the same time. We're going to have a quick look over the pitch, check on the seating situation, and I also believe that here's some forever stones being replaced as well, so we'll have a look on that as well. So we're going to get the drone up in a while, start with the pitch, have a look at the forever stones being replaced, and we'll let these guys carry on sorting through the tributes, which are the ones that are past it and which ones they're saving. They're moving all the ones they're saving down to the bottom there, making a nice little area. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. See you after the intro. Welcome back everyone, we are airborne. Going to move a little bit to the left and we'll go over and have a look at the seating situation. Then we'll have a look at the forever stones as well. How's the pitch looking now? It's had a first few days going together. It looks great, doesn't it? And Groundsman's doing his thing. It's looking really good. Look at the seating situation. All that part is done now by the looks of that. There's still a fair bit to be done on that side yet, to be honest, but the pitch is looking immense, isn't it? We need a groundsman to be doing his thing, getting all the stripes on there with the mower. How many times he's walking over that pitch? He must be walking a fair few miles doing that job. Brilliant. But I'm well made up of the seating. It's coming along nicely. It's good to see the colour back to red. We'll go over the SKD stand. I'll bring the forever stones into shot. See the guys down there just working on a little area there, replacing some. They've already done some further up as well, but they've moved now. We'll have a closer look after, when we get back on the ground. But as you can see by the main stand, still a lot to be done with the seats yet. Shows it badly from this angle, doesn't it, still? But it is great to see the first half of the main stand pretty much done now. So they need to work around the dugout area and then all the rest to the right. So I'll just have a quick fly over towards where all the tributes to Diogo Jota were laid. Well, like I said in the intro, before the intro, a lot of the flowers have, passed it now, really. It's GreyBeard. All the top half's been much cleared away now. Yeah, they're sorting through all these flowers and they're moving all the best ones to the top there where there's 3 areas there.
Are you even recording there? Because you told us you told.
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right.
And I'm recording your voice too.
Oh, hi guys.
That's Craig's TV1.
What's the picture looking like?
Looking really well.
Painted them at all?
No, the groundsman's doing this thing. It's got all the stripes going across the pitch now.
Oh, is he?
Max altitude
I'll
reached.
release that one and I want to go down and get put to the van. Got some Euro seats there.
I'll come and have a look, but
Because last week all day we can get the 27th free seats in Sandon.
Mio Walls hasn't started the forever B when he's going to finish the top half. But yeah, that's something we're going to be covering on the channel and TV1. Diogo Jotti's mural. I'll have to start. Anyone's got a date? Let me know. So I think we're going to go down to ground level and have a closer look at these forever stones, what the guys are working on.
What's the weather like? Is it windy up there or?
It's about 16 miles an hour.
Any warnings up there?
I had one little camera shake, but no wind warning. So we'll bring Anfield back into shot. We'll keep having a look on the seating situation on the next update. It'll be Friday now, so we'll leave Anfield in full view there. And we're going to go and check out on another mural. See you on the ground all. So we've literally just landed and we're going to go and check out on these forever stones. I don't know how many they've been replacing. Oh. Yeah, I'm just standing by the forever stones. There's a couple getting replaced this end. I'll show you what they look like. Rob, Ryan, Evan, Red Forever, You'll Never Walk Alone. You're getting a new one. And LFC Our Passion, Mackie Family, You'll Never Walk Alone. It's basically just a handful that get replaced, but they are the biggest stones, so they are very expensive. At least it's good to see Liverpool doing this, replacing damaged stones. How they got damaged, I do not know. But I just asked the guy how many he's got to do, but he couldn't really understand the question. So I don't think his English was too great. But these are the kind of machines they're using. Even some of the grey ones here have needed replacing, but it looks good. It looks like they've gone along the whole side, the whole lot. But yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, Dominic Wasser's stone. I think that was the damaged one there. And I think the new one is there. Dominic Was, Forever Loved and Missed, You'll Never Walk Alone. That's probably going in the end slot there. It looks like they've replaced quite a few there by the looks of it. But as the guys carry on over there replacing stones, we're going to wrap this one up. I'm made up LFC are committed into fixing the problem of stones that are getting damaged. It's happening too frequently lately, unfortunately. A lot of money's been spent and it's good that the club are sorting the problem out. So let them guys carry on over there. Don't forget to click, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you for the next one all. Bye for now.